Welcome back, my beautiful people. I'm Steffi, and here it's all about less perfection, more purpose, less fear, and more flavor. I'm an amputee, a mama, a wife, and a wild at heart woman just doing life out loud. From the kitchen to the woods and everything in between. On today's episode, we're in the beautiful desert of Tucson, Arizona. Winter's just winding down, so the weather is still nice enough to enjoy. When we travel, we love exploring nature, and we're always open to meeting new people along the way. While Bob and Jonah headed out for a hike, I stayed back at the RV to catch up on some work and enjoy a little quiet time. A lot of times, Bob likes to scout the trail first to see if it's worth the hike for me too. This time, while he was up on the mountain, he ran into Jukes and Andrew, two artists who just wrapped up a nearby gem show. They were camping with a group of friends they hadn't seen in a while, using the trip to reconnect and get creative.
Look, what's this? You want to see this? Look at it. You want a little stick? Yeah, it's cool, right? It's a skateboard on a puddle. Not gonna go far on a puddle, huh? grab it.
Monster.
You have to be so gentle with it, baby. Thank you, God. You're a good dog. You're a good dog.
While we were there, Jukes spent some time working on this painting project and even invited us to join them that evening for a little art and entertainment. Jonah was especially amazed by the fire twirling performance. And we ended the night watching Jukes bring his art to life, painting stunning murals on an RV and a bus. If you enjoyed this glimpse into our desert adventure, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more family travel stories, and hit the bell so you never miss an update from my journey. See you in the next one.